So I do a little progress update. So the benches did turn out lighter once they dried. And Amy decided to go with a darker accent on the posts for the outside ones. And then the interior, we're going to keep the pink accent. So this one's complete. It does take a lot of time to do this. So we have a lot of painting to do, a lot of white. So I've been mainly focusing on the porch. So I decided to pull the stone away, and I now have to do the second coat of the slate color. You can kind of see where it looks good, but it's not covered 100%. So I'm going to start that now, work my way around. Oh, I also have to do I have to do the first coat on some of these yet. Actually, this side. Just on this right here. The rest I did. So just on this, I ran out of time this morning. So I want to get all the railing, the second coat on, and then we'll do the one coat on the floor, and then we might do a second coat on the floor, but after we do the rest of the accent painting, the posts and the supports, and just a lot of odds and ends, accent. The repairs look really good and are solid. I ended up putting in quite a few screws along the edge here. And the other thing I need to do yet is it does dip a little bit right here. And you can kind of tell by the way the joint is. See how it's open more at the bottom than the top? And then this one is open more at the top than the bottom. And then I went over there and looked down through from that corner down this way, and you could see where it dips a little bit. So I need to get the big bar and wedge this up, or pry it up, and have someone put in a slice of stone. So I'm going to go for, if I can bring it up an inch and a half or inch and a quarter, I'm pretty sure that'll be good. If not, I'll go for 3/4 of an inch. I have some stone that is 3/4 or 2 cm. Okay, I'm going to run out of daylight if I don't get going. Well, either way, I'm going to run out of daylight, but I'm going to get going and do as much as I can on the second coat. And maybe in the morning, if weather's still good, I can start on some green.